Welcome to Neural Tech Analytics. Today we're going to walk you through how to create a heat map in Tableau, one of the most effective ways to visually compare data across categories using color. Heat maps are especially useful when you want to quickly identify patterns, highlight high or low performance areas, or spot outliers, all through changes in color intensity. It's a great addition to any data analyst toolkit. In this walkthrough, we'll be using the headcount and person facts spreadsheet from the Introduction to Tableau folder. Let's dive in, step by step. Load your data. Start by opening Tableau and connecting to your dataset. Once your data is loaded, go to a new worksheet to begin building your heat map. Set up the axis first, drag the product dimension to the columns shelf. Then drag the gender dimension and place it just to the right of product. This will break down your view even further. Next, drag the quantity field to the rows shelf. This will help us analyze the data across varying quantities in a vertical layout. At this point, we've structured the view to analyze our data by product, gender, and quantity. Add color to create the heat map. Now we bring the heat map to life. Drag the field that represents total amount. In this case, we're using the employed field as a placeholder to the color shelf in the marks card. Tableau will automatically assign a color gradient based on value intensities. You'll now see a heat map begin to take shape, with darker colors indicating higher amounts. Change the mark type in the marks card. Click on the drop-down that's currently set to Automatic. Change the mark type to Square. This gives the chart that familiar heat map look, where each square represents a unique combination of product, gender, and quantity. Format the view. Let's clean up the view so it's easier to read. From the Format menu, go to Cell Size, then choose Bigger to make the individual squares larger and more visible. You can also manually adjust the column widths by holding Ctrl and pressing the right arrow to make them wider, or left arrow to make them narrower. This gives you more control over the layout, making it clean and easy to analyze. Adjust the measure calculation. By default, Tableau is aggregating the employed field using SUM, which doesn't really make sense when we're analyzing unique entries like total amounts. To adjust this, hover over Assume Employed in the marks card, click the drop-down, go to Measure, and select Count Distinct. This will change the calculation to count unique entries, which gives a more accurate picture of your data distribution. And just like that, you now have a fully functional heat map that visualizes the total number of records across product, gender, and quantity. The deeper the color, the higher the value, making it incredibly easy to spot patterns, trends, and outliers at a glance. Whether you're analyzing sales performance, inventory distribution, or user behavior, heat maps provide quick visual insights that are easy to interpret and act upon. At Neuraltech, we deliver industry-aligned data analytics training that leads directly to job offers. Visit our website to learn more.